Let's see how to install WordPress on Subdomain in Hostinger. At first, we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Here you will see the hosting section. Click on Manage next to your web hosting. Now from the left menu, click on Website and select Auto Installer from here. Select WordPress. Here we need to add our website title, administrator email, administrator username and then administrator password. So once we are done, we are going to click on Advanced from here. And for the installation path, we will select our subdomain from here. So click on this drop down. Now scroll down. Select the subdomain where you want to install WordPress. So we are going to install WordPress on this subdomain ssl.atharweb.com. So we are going to select this subdomain. After that, we are going to click on Next. Now click on Install from here. And now if I go to Hostinger H panel dashboard and click on Websites from here, here you can see that WordPress is now installed on our subdomain. So if I click on this website link, it will take us to our WordPress website that we have just created on the subdomain. So now if I click on WP admin, it will take us to the dashboard of our WordPress website. So this is how you can install WordPress on subdomain in Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.